Are you looking to join the cryptocurrency trend and buy the best performing coins? Do you want to know how to spot the top trending coins on the crypto market? In this video, I will show you how to easily find trending coins that you can easily buy, make some profits, and sell for good profits. This guide is easy. You do not need to have full technical knowledge on cryptocurrency to understand this video. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends who might find it helpful, and also hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. The tool we will be using to track trending crypto coins is called CoinGecko. It is a free tool that can be used for tracking market trends, following different projects, create a crypto portfolio, and get information on upcoming and already listed coins. CoinGecko is available as applications on Android, iPhones, and can also be accessed on every web browser. For this tutorial, we will be using the web browser to access CoinGecko. However, you can follow the same step on any device you choose to use. First step is to move to the trending section. Click on the View More button. It will open a page with a list of trending coins. If we scroll down, you get to see another feature that allows user to see coins trending in different countries. But that is not what we are here for. This video is to find worldwide trends. Scroll back to the top. Here we will filter some buttons to get the desired results. You can choose what trend you want to see first. There are options like coin price, percentage in the last 1 hour, percentage in the last 24 hours, percentage in the last 7 days, 24 hours volume, and market cap. Click on price and it will change the order of listed coins. This feature will list the coins from the highest price per one piece down to the coin with the lowest price. Click on the 1 hour percentage and it will list coins in the order of highest percentage gained, and down to the lowest percentage gained in the last 1 hour. Click on the 24 hours percentage and it will list coins in the order of highest percentage gained, and down to the lowest percentage gained in the last 24 hours. For this video, our interest is on cryptocurrencies that have performed the best in the past 1 week. So we will choose the 7 days percentage. This will list coins that have been consistently rising. This coin has risen by over 1,348% in the last 7 days. By my calculations, the price of this coin was $0.0297 about a week ago. Now the current price is $0.4304. If I had bought $100 worth of this coin just 7 days ago, my $100 investment will currently be worth $1,450.17. Click on the coin, and it will take you to a new page where you will get in-depth information about the selected coin. Depending on your internet speed, this might take some seconds to fully load full information about each coin. This page covers technical details of the coin such as price history, which shows how the price of the coin has dropped and increased in the selected time frame. Market cap, which shows the total value of the coin, and it is a very important factor to look out for. Live chart is another technical information available on this page. You will also get additional information about the coin such as its official website, links to its social media community, blockchain technology used, contract address, trading volume, total supply, and lots more. You can also add coins to your portfolio by clicking on this icon. It will also show you how many users have added the coin to their CoinGecko cryptocurrency portfolio. To add a coin to your portfolio, you must have an account with CoinGecko. Existing users can simply click on Login, while new users can click on Sign Up to create a free account. The more users, the more likely that a trending coin might continue on its current trend. If you like a coin, you can also check out similar coins. CoinGecko allows you to check other projects without leaving the page. Here you will see a list of different cryptocurrency projects that are worth investing a few dollars on. All you have to do is look for a trending coin, check how well it has been performing in the last 7 days, and then decide how many dollars you want to invest on it. In my next video, I will show you a platform where you can securely buy several coins, how to swap existing coins to US dollars, and how to withdraw from your crypto wallet to your bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the bell notification so you will be among the first people to get notified whenever we post new contents about cryptocurrency. Do have a lovely day.